Okay guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a Laravel blog website using ChatGPT. So first I will write a Laravel, okay, write Laravel website blog, use, okay, website blog, okay, that's it, write code a Laravel website blog. Okay, we need to install our in our computer first. So here it shows if we haven't installed our Laravel in our computer, so we can install using this command. Step 2, we need to create a Laravel project folder using this command. After that, we need to create a database file .env. So here is our database name, username. So username may be like admin or root or anything, then your password that you configure for your MySQL database, and then generate a block model and migration. So here we will migrate a block migration. So you will create a block model, table, so block database table under the database migration directory. So yeah, step by step we're looking at. So for this function, we will have like title, content, publish it, and so after that we will migrate to create a data in our database system. That's it. And then yeah, we'll make a controller here. That's pretty much nice. Wow. Okay, so it will create a result view. We will continue generating. Okay, let's do it. Now we have got everything that we need. So first you need to install Laravel. So this is it. We'll start with this Laravel new blog. So I will copy code. If you haven't installed, you just need to run this in terminal. That's it. Very simple. So Laravel new blog, and I will not give Laravel new blog. I will give Laravel new AI blog. So it now is creating a Laravel project folder in my computer. So after that, I will open my folder. So I just created AI blog. So here if you have installed VS Code, you can use to open a file using code, but you need to configure to use it the code command in your terminal or okay. So code, I just created AI block. So now I have already exit. So AI block. So after enter, it will open the folder. Okay. So I will delete this one, and then I will. Okay. So here the AI block folder I just created. So these are the project repository that we have. So it's recommend to after that to open the .env file. So after that we need to create database username password. So here .env. So AI block database is AI block, and the root and the password. So I give the password for my database, and I will type my password, but you need to type your password. If it is you haven't set any password, you don't need to type it. So AI block, I need to create the database to connect with my project. So I don't have it. So I will create sudo and my actual root -p. So I will type my password for the database. So here I will create. I using command line to create database. If you are not familiar with command line, you can go PHP my admin, and you can do using PHP my admin. So create create database AIP block. After that, my project, and after it I will migrate block. So generate the block model and migration. So block I will create block model And then data migration mean I will create a database and the database folders in my project. So after I copy, and then I paste it here and I press enter. Now it's created model app model. Under the app model folder blog.php creates successfully. And for the migration database, under the database migration, it creates our table. So the blog model and the database migration, here is a blog database. Okay, so we got it. After this, we can define column like according to our blog structure what we want to do. So here is like example, if we add title and content, that's the must column that we must have in our table. So title and content. So I will copy the app block, just app block. It will create our column. So here is our app block. So I will paste it. So title, content. Title is string, content is text, because we will have a lot of paragraphs, so we choose text and publish at. So this is a timestamp. So after that, we'll make it migrate. It will create our block in our database system. So we just created a AI block. Let me see. Oh, here AI block. So under this, there's no table. So after, if I press enter here, so it's created block table. So enter table, we need to refresh it. Okay, here is a block table and other personal reset token and user and migration feed job. These are the default table that has been configured by the Laravel project repository. So this is the table that we just created, ID, title, content. So and so we'll go after that. We'll go route web.php file to add the route. So we just copy and we'll go to route web, and at the web we'll paste it here. So block controller index and block controller show. So that's it. And then we'll make a block controller. So we need to copy this to make a block controller file under the controller. I just copy and I paste it. That result mean it will add like necessary function for the block, like index, create, show, delete, something like this. So we'll go and check it. So yeah, index, create, store, show, edit, update, destroy. So these are the functions that are necessary for managing their block post. It will create. Yeah. So after that, we'll do index and show. So index and show. Now open the block controller, find update it one following code. So we will copy, we'll copy all, and then I just click here and just copy everything. So we can delete everything, we can paste everything. So it's making like two function, index and show. We will ask later to delete, to update to the AI. Okay, we will ask more function. So after that, now we will create a view to manage their block. Okay, so here is HTML files that we have given by the AI. So under result view, we will create block folder and index.play.php. So I will make results view. I will create another folder, block, and the block I will create index.play.php. Now paste it. That's simple. So here is the code that we have got in the view. So here is the show folder. So I will create another file. As it will show the play dot. So I just paste it, and then that's it. I will make page by itself. I will run the project using that command, and I click on the link. So test target block controller, that's not easy. Yes, because we need to check in our route.web.php. route.web.php here. It is block controller. So what we need to do is okay, we'll do So the AI has just given me the example using old version of Laravel written style. So I just change like this. So it's import here block controller, and now it's linked and it's worked. So I don't want like this, so I will X again. Right goat for the route using the Laravel. I think 8. It changed this time using the Laravel 8. And add store delete and update function fun function in block C1 here. Okay, so after I X, yeah, it's now, yeah, it's add more function. Oh, here we got it. Wow. Okay, so we just got it. So I X to add more function and to write like new style of Laravel in the route controller. So here is the route web. So I will copy it again. This method, request method, and I delete these two. So now we got it. Block controller, index, show, store, update, delete this function. Now we got it, and we will go and change in block controller. We will add the new version. More function that I we have got index and show, so we don't like it. We will have every function: index, show, store, and update, and delete. So it's already written by the AI, and we just got it. So title content. Okay, so after that, yeah, pretty much that's it. So let me run. It's still working. I would like to X like for this user interface. I don't want only like here. No, I don't like this. So I will write with the bootstrap. Okay, write code F1D ENT found using BOOTSTRAP bootstrap. Write code found using bootstrap to this ELG's project. Okay, I exit. So okay, yeah, we got it. Okay, so we got index and we got show.blade.php file. This file will be show the blog post that we created. Here is the create blade.php file. So this file will create blocks. This file will show how to create a. Okay, we'll continue generating. Wow, that's wow. Yeah, AIs will not replace coder, but we developer will use AI to make our project move faster, and we will it will save our time. We don't need to make a repository, or we don't need to make a project from scratch. We just make we just ask AI to make a fundamental and minimum projects for us, and we can focus on new function, new features, and everything in a short time. That's it. That's fine. Okay, now we got it. Okay, here I ask for the index of blade.php. I will copy and I will paste enter the result view block index. So here I just paste it, and then show.blade.php. I copy and at the block I will create a new file as show.blade.php file. Oh, okay, I have got show. Okay, so I paste it. I've already created show.blade.php file and create file. So I will create another file and the block new file create.blade.php, and I just paste it here. After that, edit. I cannot wait to see the result. edit.blade.php file. So I just paste it here. Oh, that's it. So I will refresh or close it. I will refresh. Wow. Okay, guys. So now we have got our create form for the blog. So let's test. So testing title, testing content, and I will choose the date and submit. After submit, I've got an error. So when we face the error, we need to solve this error with the AI that we just creating our project along the way. So at title variable property, so we will copy the error and we will set to AI. So how he will respond to us. Okay, so we just got our solution from AI, so we need to add variable here. Okay, so we'll block extend model product variable. So under this, according to AI suggestion, we're trying again. Okay, so content, so we will add the same thing for the title, for the content, 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 and I will submit my file again. So here, like testing. So for the error, we don't need to figure it out. Yes, we copy the error and paste here. I just copy the error and paste. It shows how to solve it. Okay, so now we just have our testing pool, so we can edit. So here we don't have that route, so that's why it's showing for not found. So we can do like, okay, write a code for route for edit post, just UX, and then so we just need a route because we don't have a route, so we just copy the route and we find the file, and then we paste the route here, post id edit, so it will be edit in post controller. So we don't have okay, we will X again, plot, not post, we just X a post, so it's plot for this website. Okay, so we need to be very careful the question that we ask. I will copy again and I paste it. So block edit, block controller, class edit. So we will see we have an edit, delete, create, still, yeah. So we don't have an edit. So we will go and okay, here like edit function, we will add to our controller edit. So it will find the block ID and it will redirect to block edit. So it will bring the block data from here, from here, and then it will redirect to our folder edit. So this one. Okay, so we will test it again. Okay, got it. So we have everything here. Testing, update, content, testing, content, edit. Okay, so we will choose the date that we want and then we update it. So it's now update and we can delete. Yeah, so now we don't have anything. And then testing 2, we'll choose the date and we submit. So that's it. Now we just make a blog website using Laravel with ChatGPT AI. So that's it pretty much. So it takes only 10 minutes. So I hope you guys like it. And AI will not replace a coder. Remember, the coder will use the AI to make a project, and then we don't need to make a project from scratch. We just make a fundamental project with AI, and we can focus on our creation and on our deployment in the future using the AI. That's it. Thank you very much.